Simon Ashby, and I'm here to introduce the IRM's Risk Culture training course. I'm an Associate Professor of Risk Management at Plymouth Business School, and I've also worked as a practitioner and as a regulator in the field of risk management, and I'll bring all of that experience together to help deliver this course. Risk management, of course, involves a variety of tools and techniques, from the quantitative modelling tools to much more qualitative tools, such as managing risk culture. In this course, of course, we'll be focusing on the issue of risk culture. We'll be looking at what it is and also what it isn't, because there are a number of myths around risk culture that we'll look to dispel in the course. We'll cover issues around the measurement and the assessment of risk culture, what works well, what doesn't work so well, and we'll also look at the management of risk culture. What tools and techniques can you use to manage your risk culture effectively? Finally, we'll look at some case studies. We'll look at some real-world cases of both good and also, most importantly of all, bad risk cultures. Look at what can go wrong and what the consequences are when things do go wrong. This course is for anyone that's interested in learning more about the topic of risk culture. It will probably be of most interest to risk managers. Perhaps you're involved in some risk culture work within your organisation, or your organisation is looking to take a more active role in terms of managing its risk culture. So practising risk managers should get a lot from this particular course. It may also be of use to auditors and compliance professionals. Auditors, of course, for example, may be involved in the auditing of risk culture, and many regulators are now talking about risk culture too, so it can also be a relevant issue for compliance professionals. Others within organisations may also find it interesting where it impacts on their area of work. For example, HR professionals that are involved in risk culture work may also find the course of use. So if you take this course, what will you get from it? What will be the key the key benefits? Well, firstly, you'll get a good solid introduction to the area of risk culture. In that, we'll cover a variety of standards and good practice guides, including the Institute of Risk Management's own risk culture work. As you may know, the Institute has done a significant piece of work looking at risk culture, and we'll be using that to help inform the course. But we'll also build on that to look at other work that's been done in the area, incorporating, for example, work by advisory organisations, other professional associations, and also, where appropriate, some academic work too.